That was hard to do. Welcome to perfect level. The water is freezing and the sun is out. Let's go fishing. Let's go. I've had so many people tell me that those lakes aren't even there anymore, and I'm like, okay, sure. Sure. I mean, there's an awesome house out there, dude, and the house is abandoned. All the windows are busted out, and like, nobody lives there. And one of those lakes is for sure, you can kayak in it for sure. I mean, it's a sizable pond. The other ones are kind of small. Fish on. Mr. Smallmouth, good to see you, sir. I'm glad you came to the party. Sheesh. Shablow. Oh, was it a bass? Gotta set that hook, bro. I knew there had to be some awake. Oh man, he's icy, dude. That fish just froze. He's got ice around his gills. Mr. Spotted Bass. Yes, sir. Thank you for playing the game. Shablow. Are you kidding me? They're definitely in the middle, man. The last two, I mean, I'm just casting out in the middle, and that's where I'm catching them. That was on the jerk bait in really shallow water. That's a good smallmouth right there for today anyway. Thank you for playing the game, good sir. Thank you so much. Let's go. Let's go. There's got to be at least one walleye left. There's always one walleye somewhere. The biggest smallmouth that I caught today was on the prototype. And we are nearly back to the cars now. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.